My name is Damon Smith. I'm the founder of the Peace and Unity Revival Gardens. It initially started as a way for me to get into my garden and to heal from my post-traumatic stress disorder. I was in the first war in Iraq in 1991 as a medic. In 1999 I started gardening, and it was kind of instant. I hit the soil and I started feeling better. I had been gardening for about 17, 18 years when I found the seed, the first seed in my collection, and that was from Iraq. It was a tomato. A little girl came into our camp, didn't look good. She was very gray. Her parents said we come from Basra, and they took her to the MASH and she passed away in the MASH. 27 years later, I'm looking through the seed catalog and I see Basraqua tomato. And I look down, it comes from her hometown. So I grew it for her in 2017 as a way to get beyond that trauma, but also to grow it for her, in memory of her. And 2018, I realized you can do that for everywhere that's experienced war, violent conflict, and grow for the children. Last year, the rarest seed I had was from Somalia, and it grows in the middle of the desert. It's called a hedgehog cucumber. But that, I put in a hill of sand. Oh, yeah. I just put the seed in the hill of sand, and I said grow, and it grew. The other week, a woman had just lost her husband a few weeks before. And she said she walked into this garden, she felt she needed to be here. And I'm gonna see her probably next week, and we're gonna start working on her garden in her backyard. So I continue doing that today, but in 2020, I got an opportunity to do it on this scale. And we started off with just areas of war and violent conflict. And now today, we changed just last year to a whole world concept. And if anyone's excluded, we think this place is lacking. So we want to make everyone that comes to the Reed's farm, everyone that comes into this garden feel like this is a sanctuary space, like a safe space. And so they can even investigate their food heritage from all around the world. I believe I was called here to Reed's. Enjoy this space as your sanctuary space, like I said. I want this to be a sanctuary space for all people.